This video presents the Master Program in Mechanical CAD and Product Engineering, a premium industry-oriented specialization pathway. The program's mission is to transform engineering graduates into full-stack mechanical designers, proficient in the entire product development lifecycle, covering design, simulation, manufacture, and documentation. This program is designed for final-year students, fresh graduates, and working professionals. It emphasizes multi-software mastery, industrial projects, and career outcomes, simulating a live professional CAD workstation environment. Master industry-leading software, including Dassault Systems, SolidWorks and CATIA, Autodesk AutoCAD and Inventor, PTC Creo, and Siemens Solid Edge and NX. You will also use ANSYS for FEA, CFD, and structural analysis. The curriculum roadmap is a 6-track progressive journey, starting with Foundation, advancing through Core CAD Mastery and Advanced Specialization, into the Design Bootcamp, Masterclass, and culminating in Full-Stack Engineering. Track 01, the Foundation track, focuses on engineering design basics, GD&T, material science, and professional 2D drafting using AutoCAD Mechanical. Track 02, Core CAD Mastery, develops multi-software adaptability using SolidWorks, PTC Creo, and CATIA, focusing on solid modeling, assemblies, sheet metal, and technical documentation. Track 03 covers advanced specialization, including advanced surfacing, FEA fundamentals with ANSYS, and CAD/CAM integration using Siemens NX and Mastercam. Track 04, the Design Bootcamp, is industry-intensive, featuring real-world projects like automotive components, complex gearbox assemblies, and sheet metal fabrication. The process includes design, simulation, and validation. Track 05, Masterclass Modules, focuses on expert-level specialization, advanced GD&T, and PLM systems like Teamcenter, ensuring enterprise-ready engineering practice. Track 06, Full-Stack Mechanical Engineer, culminates in a capstone project, portfolio development, and placement preparation. The final outcome is a job-ready professional, capable of managing end-to-end product development. The program prepares you for various target roles, including Mechanical Design Engineer, Product Development Engineer, CAE Analyst, and Automotive Design Engineer across 9 specialized profiles. There is a high industry demand with projected job growth of 22% year-on-year. High-demand sectors include automotive, aerospace, robotics, and the EV industry, with competitive salary ranges. Additional software mastery includes Mastercam and PowerMill for CAM, Abacus and HyperMesh for advanced simulation, Teamcenter for PLM, and MATLAB for engineering computation. Key learning outcomes include multi-platform CAD mastery, simulation-driven design using ANSYS, applying DFM principles, professional documentation, and building an industry-ready portfolio for career acceleration. The Transformation Roadmap is a 6-month journey from beginner/student to design master/full-stack engineer, qualifying you for senior design roles with higher salary potential. Success stories include a high placement rate, high packages, and practical evaluations. Testimonials emphasize the program's practical knowledge in GD&T and FEA,